All right, today we're going to be testing out Pull It Out Chomp concrete. I know I get oil stains everywhere, so I got to make sure it looks somewhat nice so the neighbors don't get mad. But you can see all the white, that was all the material came up, and then it's pulling that oil up. I've used it once before, but just so everyone else can give it a try, see how it goes. So I let it sit for like a day or two, just to hopefully get it all out. There's a bad one. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. The garbage cans and the oil. Ignore that. Let's try it over there. Try to get it all out. It's not a biscuit. Come on, baby, let's dance. All right, I think we should do a time lapse. See how it turns out. I'm gonna unplug the machine because I heard electricity and water go together. Tell me the wrong comment. We're not whatever you want to talk. Here's the update for me. You still see some of the white I need to spray off. But took care of almost all of the oil stains. Look a lot better, a lot smaller. This one is definitely a lot smaller. Probably got to do another round or two. But I don't know, it looks pretty good. This is actually my second or third time purchasing it. We're not always that clean on the shop. But let me know what you guys think. See if you guys like it. If not, if there's something better, let me know too. Welcome back, everyone. I'm back under the car and it's freezing. So I think my transmission is a little low on fluid because it's been a little hard to shift. So I'm gonna check it right now. I'm looking at the tag. It says June 17th, 74, NP 435. It has great It's very dirty, which is perfect. Perfect. Here's the drain plug to get all the fluid out, so I'm not taking that one out. I'm just trying to add some more. Right up here. I think I got the right size. It was not the right size. Not the right size. It is not a 21. FY for everyone out there. Like, 16. You can use that one if you want. That's the longest one, and it will go.
Well, that's gonna go to the main one right there. That's gonna do the inflatables. But I need one to power the fence line.
There's a cord down there.
Okay.
If you need another one.
Yeah.
And then there's this cord, and then we also have the in the closet, the coat closet.
Oh, okay.
To power one and then run the other one off of it.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Avery, grab the other cord.
What? I will show you a way, glimmering and haunting. I see a little girl named Avery. What?
Avery, that's enough, honey.
Ave, thank you. I've been looking for this brush. Which one's closer to the lights?
I'm getting a root beer. Huh?
You're gonna get a root beer again? What time is it? If it's past 7 in the morning on a Saturday, you can drink. That's the rule. That's the law. Yeah, it is. For me too. Man, you don't want to be over. You can plug on the other side of the refrigerator.
Or I can just.
And just run it here to the lights, and that would make it. Just for the lights, I'm saying. And then you can use this one for the over there.
I have an idea.
Okay. All right. Sorry. Hunter, we need to clean this pan out. Ugh.
3/4.
The pan? Yeah. We just painted it black. Sugar free. What the? What the? We're not diabetic. What the? Let's check it. A lot of play. Just perfect. Can you see that? 3/4. When do you guys set up your decorations? Okay, this needs a PB blaster. What up? Should I turn the truck? I say, hey, okay, maybe more. I got something. Got it. There it goes on. Did it even budge? Popped it. Let's take this bad boy off. I feel like Tim, the Tool Man Taylor. More power. Nope, that doesn't work. Give me that back. Thank you, sir.
It's full, Clark.
Hopefully it doesn't pour out. Let's see. Well, I could have done it just by hand. Non-dripping. That's sign that it. Nope, dripping. Huh. Fail. Not low. And you see, dripping. It's pretty clean, so that's good. Let's just tie it back on. Good nap. If anyone's looking for me, I'm under the truck. If I'm not found in 10 minutes, check the refrigerator outside. I'm probably there getting a root beer or just a root beer with no root.